Have you ever tried to write a procedure and gotten stuck? Or have you encountered a recurring problem at work and struggled to find a solution? Maybe you even brought it up with management, but nothing changed. Don't they care about the time and the money being wasted? Here is the truth. Management doesn't always know how to solve a problem in a process either. And why would they? Were they trained in process management or in quality methods? If you haven't studied industry management, it's likely that the knowledge you have about processes comes from experience, but it's probably not organized or comprehensive. And that's exactly what I don't understand. Why the quality methods aren't accessible to all professionals? Why are so many people still struggling with inefficiency? I'm Danielle, a quality consultant, and I'm here to help by providing knowledge on quality methods. This channel will help you understand processes, teach you how to write procedures, and provide you with ready-made professional procedures you can immediately download, including templates like audit reports and management review presentations. We also offer online mini courses for those who want to expand their knowledge at their own pace and their own time. And those who need consulting in quality management, we're here to help with that too. So if you need a professional procedure right now, just go to EazyISO.com website to the downloadables page.